yummy. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss any of our videos. Today we're going to make pizza bread. Follow me through the process. Unlike the normal pizza, the bread is ready, so we're not going to start by making the dough. We're going to start by making the pizza sauce. We have put in ginger, just as per your desire, and this is garlic. And then I'll slice this onion so that I put it in small pieces in the blender. So we have our onion. I'm going to use the green bell pepper for the sauce. We just slice into pieces and add. You're going to add some salt, just a minute. You're going to add salt. And paprika. We're going to use barbecue sauce for the sauce. So we add the sauce here. We're going to add a tomato, and that's all for the ingredients of the sauce. We are now ready to blend, and the mixture is ready. So we cook it for a few minutes in a preheated pan under low heat. I've added some water, just a little bit. It helps for the sauce not to stick on the pan. So you give it a few minutes and allow it to boil. You can taste the sauce. If you taste and it's a bit bitter, you can add some sugar to improve the flavor. Mine is okay. I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to have it like that. But in case you don't like the flavor, you can always add some sugar. And there we have it, guys. Our sauce is ready. So we have the toppings. We were preparing the toppings as the sauce was getting ready. So now we get ready to top up. As you can see, my hand is not very well shaped. I forgot to unfreeze it earlier. Lakini tulisema shape tuachie verasidika. So we continue. We are using sweet bread from Naivas. So if you want the bread to be cheesy, you put cheese first. You can either put it first before the sauce or after the sauce. Then we add the sauce. Now add the topping. Okay, you don't need to add too much. You can just put a little. I just feel like having a thick one. Yeah, so you can just put a little. then you top it up with cheese. And the first slice is ready. And we'll repeat the same process for all the slices that you want to make. Cheese depends on your preference. You can do as much, you can do as little as you want. Just depends on what your preference is. So I'll prepare all of them, and then we put them in the oven. For the second lot, we can start with the sauce. I choose not to add cheese at this point, so I'll just add the toppings. Because I want less cheese. And less toppings. Like that. Then we add the cheese. Still less. So you can still make a snack even on a budget. And you can use minimal cheese. You can also use the cheese strips. The last time I didn't like, so maybe it was the product. I can't say they're bad. It was the product. It tasted plastic. So I went back to Happy Cow mozzarella. Yeah. For the toppings, you can actually use any toppings of your choice. You're not restricted to what I'm using. I once made a carrot and minji pizza, which is vegetarian. You can just use what you have in the house. Don't be stressed by this colored capsicum. You can even use the green one. Yeah. So you're now ready. We're about to put them in the oven for 15 minutes. And there we have it, guys. So as you're finalizing the preparation, you can preheat the oven. So now the oven is warm. We're about to put it in for 15 minutes. Look at the beauty. Look at how the cheese is melting. There we have it, guys. Our pizza bread is ready. Yummy, yummy.